What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Got to put some posts in the garden. We got some tomato plants on the edge of the garden that need to be trellised. So I'm going to build a trellis kind of the way I did with the poles and the PVC piping going across. I just came back from Lowe's, bought 2 inch and a half 2 elbows and a T. Right now I only have 3 poles, so we're gonna go with that. Yeah. And I didn't buy the long PVC pipe. I already had some PVC pipe that was 1 inch and a half. So I just bought the elbows and the T. So yeah, so let's get out here and get this thing done. It shouldn't take us long. I got the this will help me instead of using the sledgehammer. I got one of these bad boys. Yeah, this definitely helps. This is what you call a Country Pro Post Pounder, 18.5 pound, 2.75 diameter, heavy duty steel. This is what this is. What does that say? Fencing made easy. I need my hat, my gloves, grab my pounder. Oop. All right, it's a little warm out here too. It's about 80 degrees. I think that's what it said it was going to be. All right, here's one. Ooh, big old spider on that one. Sorry, buddy. And 2. Yeah, that's what we need. Check those. What's up? Oh, I've been back. I got back about maybe 5 minutes ago. All right. So what? There we go. Put these right here. Out of the way. Now these are about, I don't know, 7 feet maybe. While I'm out here, I'm gonna put one right here in the corner. That's all to do. All right, let's pound this thing in here. Let's see, I don't want to step on anything. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that hurts. There we go. There we go. I'll put it right here, just like that. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit shorter than the previous, but that's okay. As long as we have a trellis to go across, we're in good shape. Put on the elbow, like so. And put on the T. Like so, and then grab another pole. Let's grab another pole. Right there, put this on, like so. And then just kind of get a measurement of where we want this pole. We want this pole about right, as you can see, about right here. Give it 3 nice big hits, and voila. Yeah, it's loud, buddy. There we go. Now it's on. Okay. So we need the, watch out, buddy. Last one, put the elbow on. Piece of cake. I want to step on the plant. Okay. Now where do we want this one? Slide that in. We want this one about right where it is. Actually, check this out. I already have a pole here. I'm gonna slide this pole just like that, and voila. So what I can do, so because I got a pole already here that I used to prop up this fence here. So now I have an extra pole. So I'm gonna go and get another T right here. That way I can take the elbow off of this one, put a T on it, and then put this elbow on this one and have it extended, however many more feet? Was it about 5-6 feet? So that way we can continue going that direction. So all I need to do is get another T and we good. So let me take this out so nobody gets hurt over it. Take this out. So yeah, I tell you what, that looks good, I must say. Yeah. Doesn't it? Does it look good? Yes? Good. Yeah. I got his approval, so we are good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Just a little something done in the garden. My wife, she normally takes care of a lot of the planting and the vegetables and planning where things are going to be planted. You know, I'm more of the muscle, doing all the grunt work. But I'll get my hands dirty every now and then. So you got to use your strengths. Use your strengths. Get better with your weaknesses. Use your strengths to your advantage. So we got ourselves oh, you okay, buddy? You good? Okay. Okay, get out of there. Yeah, you don't want to fall on the plant. Thank you. But you want to use your strengths to your advantage. And when you're out here planting, anything goes. Nah, I'm just messing. Take your time. Baby steps. Baby steps. Thank you guys for taking the time out your day to check out this beautiful trellis that we were able to put together. We got, again, another opportunity to lengthen that. All I need to do is get another T and another PVC pipe, another 1.5 inch PVC pipe. Then we can make it even longer, so she have more room to even run tomatoes down if she so desires. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here. Love you guys. Y'all take it easy. Peace.